AWSBatch Description fully managed batch computing service that allows you to run batch jobs at scale without provisioning or managing servers. Prerequisites: AWS account. Enroll with permission to use AWSBatch. Use cases: high throughput compute jobs, data processing, machine learning model training, scientific simulations, game development, rendering and animation. Steps: create a job queue, define compute environments, submit batch jobs, challenges and fixes, job failures, retry failed jobs, configure retry attempts in the job definition. Use AWSBatch built-in retry mechanism. Implement custom retry logic in your job code. Increase job timeout. Extend the job timeout in the job definition. Consider increasing the timeout for specific tasks within the job. Implement a mechanism to handle timeouts gracefully in your job code. Resource contention. Increase compute resources. Scale up the compute environment by adding more instances. Increase the number of vCPUs and memory allocated to the job. Use a larger instance type for the compute environment. Use spot instances. Leverage spot instances for cost-effective compute resources. Configure spot instance bidding strategies to ensure availability. Implement mechanisms to handle spot instance interruptions. Job scheduling issues. Optimize job priority. Assign higher priority to critical jobs. Use the job priority parameter in the job definition. Consider using a job priority queue for efficient scheduling. Use job dependencies. Define dependencies between jobs to ensure proper execution order. Use the job dependencies parameter in the job definition. Implement a dependency management system in your workflow. Cost optimization. Use spot instances. Utilize spot instances for cost-effective compute resources. Implement spot instance bidding strategies to optimize cost. Monitor spot instance usage and adjust bidding strategies as needed. Schedule jobs during off-peak hours. Take advantage of lower spot instance pricing during off-peak hours. Schedule jobs to run during less busy periods. Use a scheduling tool to automate job scheduling. Monitoring and logging. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor jobs. Monitor job status, performance metrics, and resource utilization. Set up alarms to notify you of potential issues. Leverage CloudWatch dashboards for visual insights. Use AWS CloudTrail to audit job executions. Track job execution history, user actions, and resource usage. Identify potential security risks and compliance issues. Analyze CloudTrail logs for troubleshooting purposes. Use AWS S3 to store job logs. Store job logs in S3 for long-term retention and analysis. Implement logging mechanisms in your job code. Configure S3 bucket policies for access control. Integrate with other monitoring tools. Use third-party monitoring tools to augment AWS CloudWatch. Integrate with Prometheus, Grafana, or other monitoring solutions. Utilize APIs and integrations to collect and visualize data from AWSBatch.